Alright, this is a little video of my homemade square drop camper. It's 12 feet long, 5 feet tall, 5 feet wide. Everything's custom made on it. The frame I built myself has independent suspension on it, on airbags. And I'll get back here and I'll give you a little show of it. And there's the airbag system with shocks. The tires are 33 inch. This is my galley. It's got cutting board right here, and underneath it is storage. My sink is right here. Underneath it is storage. That's where the water tank is, the diesel heater, and the water pump. Then I have my plates, my knives, my spices. This is my silverware drawer. I have 2 cabinets, which is pretty full of stuff. These are my galley lights, my water pump, and then behind here, that's my 12-volt blocks. Over here on this side is my hot water tank, and I don't have it set up right now, but the box on top is a shower. Then you have I got my shovel, have an entrance on this side. Kind of check out this queen size mattress, has air conditioning, 2 more cabinets. It's got upper storage here, has a max air fan. In this cabinet over here, this is my electrical system. I have 2 12-volt batteries. I got a AC to DC inverter. Then I have a 2,000 to 4,000 watt inverter. And it's all also hooked up on solar. Solar plugs in right here. And comes over to here to my Renogy 100 watt solar system. And this does run my fridge and all my electrical all week with no issues. Walk back over to the other side. This is my pellet smoker and my scuttle. The scuttle I got from Southwest Disc. He's a veteran and he's out of New Mexico, and it's half the price of the other unit that I'm not going to mention their names. This is the diesel fuel tank. It's 2 gallons for my diesel fuel for my heater. Then I have my little table I built that hooks up off the side where the spare tire mounts, and my other little grill. My steps so you can get in and out of this thing easier. When you're old, it sucks. This is a slide-in refrigerator freezer. It's a dual setup, and it runs great. It's an IceCo brand. I've been running this unit now for 2 years and never had an issue with it. And then this is the inside of this side, which basically is the same thing. Get a little better view of the AC unit. And then up here in the front is where I have my air fittings down there to air the bags up independently, so I can make sure it's riding level depending on the weight of water and everything else. And this is my 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee limited edition. It's a V8 4.7 liter. It's got a 5.5 inch long arm kit on it by Iron Rock, running on Yokohama Geolandar 33 inch tires. They seem to be holding up really well. And inside, I have my GoPro set up. I have my Magellan CS6 navigator that's got an in-dash radio, and it does have GPS also, and that's what I meant the other is a GPS. Then I have CB radio and I have my ham radio set up. Everything in this thing is pretty darn clean. And in here in the back, there's my air tank. In there is my ARB compressor. Then underneath where the spare tire was is all my recovery gear and my airlines and my little flashlight set up. It's pretty much all stock except for the suspension. I upgraded the headlights, which was a major plus, and I put a roof rack on it. Well, that's all for now for my camping setup. I'm out here in the desert up by Superior and gonna enjoy the weekend.